It has been over a month and police are still searching for 6 individuals who have been stealing from Burlington Coat Factories across the borough. This Burlington Coat Factory here, one of those locations where those individuals took 24 coats. Now take a look at this video footage here showing those individuals running down the escalator with that merchandise. A struggle ensues as a 61-year-old loss prevention agent tries to grab the stolen coats from the 6 individuals as they run out of the Burlington Coat Factory at 2952 3rd Avenue in the Melrose section of the Bronx. The incident taking place on Wednesday, October 28th, around 7:30 in the evening, when 5 of the men entered the store together, the 6th coming up the escalator a short time later. They all leave together with armfuls of merchandise. Another Burlington Coat Factory at 350 Baychester Avenue in Co-op City hit a few days later on October 31st, when police tell us 9 individuals removed 56 coats and placed them into pieces of luggage before running out of the store. The incidents leaving residents in the neighborhood confused and calling for change.
It's cheap for us to shop here, so why would you steal from a place that have prices so low? I feel like our mayor and governor should have more police out patrolling in this area, especially this area, the Bronx, because of all the theft and all the people that's getting hurt and everything.
Now, if you have any information on these individuals, please call 1-800-577-TIPS, or you can visit NYPDcrimestoppers.com. Reporting for Bronxnet, Jericho Tran.